Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a motorcycle from your Geico motorcycle insurance policy in 2025. This is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste much time at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Geico account, which you can do on the online platform. That's the Geico website, or you can log in on the Geico mobile app on your mobile device. Next, you're going to click on policy details. So go ahead and click on policy details and then select vehicle information. Next, you're going to select the motorcycle that you want to remove, and once you find that, just click remove vehicle. And next, you're going to confirm the removal of the motorcycle from your policy, and once that's confirmed, Geico is going to take care of the rest for you and remove that motorcycle. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to remove a motorcycle from your Geico motorcycle insurance policy in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.